How to reactivate your Pinterest account. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can reactivate your Pinterest account. First of all, you will have to open any web browser on your device. Here I am launching my Chrome browser. Now once you reach to the home page of the browser, at the address bar type the domain name of Pinterest, pinterest.com. Make sure you enter the correct domain name here in order to reach to the official website. Press the enter button of your keyboard to browse it. After a while, you will reach to the official website of Pinterest. Once you reach here, at the top right corner, you will find login button. Go ahead and click on that login button and you will find the login interface on your screen. You will be able to see two boxes on the screen. In the first box, you will have to enter your email address. Make sure you enter the correct credentials here. In the second box, you will have to enter the password of your account. You can also click on this I button at the right corner of the box to double check your password. Now after entering all your credentials, you can click on this login button to log into your account. Once you do so, wait for a while. Your account will reactivate it automatically and you will regain access to your boards, pins and other account features. Once you have successfully logged in, you can click on your profile picture at the right side and then there you will find your creations. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any update from us. Thank you for watching.